Okay, so 1.5 hour after, natapos din tayo. Di ba, napakabagal kumilos. So this is our fit today, just a t-shirt, a short t-shirt, just a t-shirt, a short, and then comfy na sneakers. So, okay, medyo kinakabahan ako, hindi ko alam yung feeling, I'm excited, kinakabahan na baka hindi ako mapapasok or hindi ko mapalit yung ticket. So yun, ang initial plan ko, dapat take ako ng BTS SkyTrain going to Central World because I'm coming from Victory Monument Station, so malapit lang yung station. However, ayoko ma-stress dahil kinakabahan na nga ako, hindi ko sure kung aabot ako doon sa redemption or kung meron bang cut-off. So, ang goal natin ngayon, hindi mo tayo kakain. Ang goal natin ngayon is we will book a Grab and make sure that we are at the venue hopefully before 4:30 so I can still have time to eat and ano ba pa? I can also have time to may tumingin kasi doon. I can also have time to look around lalo na sa mga merchandise because I'm looking forward to buy yung plush toys nilang dalawa. Oh my god, I hope it's still available kasi like what I said, they open it to even non-ticket holders for the event, so I hope may time pa para bumili or I still have the chance to buy them. And yun, I'm so excited! Hindi pala kita. So hindi ko pala nasama. I have this bag too na gaganyan ko lang. Kaya ako kasi masyado magdala, although pag nakakita ako ng siguro tote bag doon, bibili ako. Ayun lang, I'm so excited. So let's see. Let's go there. Hello?
Hello. Central World, right?
Yeah, yes please. World now and try our best to be there at the venue before 5 p.m. Time check, it's now 4:15. Oh my god, bloated naman yung mukha ko. Ayan, sige, puyat pa. Ay nako, tama ba pinasukan? Si pasok yung siya ng pasok. So sana tama itong pinapasukan natin. We'll be going up at this 7th floor. So we're at the 7th floor already. We're just looking for the cinema na tinignan na natin kahapon. Yes, nag-ocular na tayo kahapon. Tara, ocular yan. Venue mo. There. So we're going there. So goal number 1, be at the venue before 5 p.m. Check. Goal number 2, get the ticket, have it exchanged. It is still in progress. So, asan yung booth? Wala pa. So, slight panic. Babalik tayo sa baba. Okay, I think nakita ko na. Sabi ko na nga po. May mga fans din dito, pero taray, puro girls yung fans. Alright, so here it is. Okay, so I'm claiming my ticket already. That's where the merchandise items are. Okay, so mukhang hindi naman tayo mauubusan. And there's a lot of people waiting. Hindi naman a lot. Hindi pa naman a lot. But as I've asked there, sabi nila, I have to pick up my ticket first here, and then at 5 p.m. we line up doon sa pila for your ticket to ensure that you're gonna have the slot for ano ba to? Dun sa hello.
Take a ticket?
Yep. Let me just show. Oops. Here's my ticket number.
Okay.
So I've got my tickets already, and my introvert self is kicking in kasi mag-isa lang ako right now. Tapos shit, puro babae yung fans nitong show na to. Or at least yung nakikita ko pa lang ngayon na nakapila at nag-aantay for the line to get started is are puro girls. Maybe that's just how it is. The fan base are all girls, so we'll see. Gusto ko sana magpa-picture dito pero naiiya ako, so i-video ko na lang. Yay! Kunwari nakapagpa-picture na lang tayo. So this is the standing. So this is Chris, this is Gawin. Nakakatuwa yung experience kasi it's amazing to know na hindi actually mostly members ng LGBT yung fan base. Alam ko naman to dati pa that the BLs are mostly watched by women, pero I didn't realize it's like they're kasi pinapalabas din siya on their, I think, primetime TV, on local TV, kaya merong mga mothers, mga titas that are fans. So, para rin talaga siyang yung usual telenovela or yung artists mo from your usual telenovela in the Philippines na merong fan base and they have their own fan groups and there's actually a lot of things that are going on. Hindi naman ako overwhelmed. I'm just happy to experience this. And there's even a space there. I don't know, maybe this is usual, pero it's my first time, so wala lang, na-amaze ako that there's a specific table where the fans would give all of their gifts to Gawin and Chris. There's even a malaki talaga, big bouquet of flowers for both of them that are there at the back. Mamaya ako na pipicturan kasi gusto kong mauna dito sa pila. Tsaka competitive yarn. Ayun, so hindi na tayo oil. Nag-blot lang tayo ng konti ng mukha kasi pwede na tayong pagpiptuhan ng something sa oiliness natin. Tapos syempre fresh tayo. Hello everyone! So I've met a couple of Koo fans from the Philippines. Hello! So hello, ayun, kumain muna tayo kasi it's now 5:30, 7 o'clock pa mag-open yung gates. But nakuha na natin yung ay, kasi hanap ko. Ito yung kasama that comes with it. Nakuha na natin po and nakakuha na rin tayo ng ganitong tag for the Kineso. And sabi dun sa booth, yung picture taking daw will happen after the show. So magstay lang tayo dun and let's see how it goes. So I got me some khao kamu. This is my staple food when I go here in Bangkok. Tapos syempre, Thai tea at 130% extra sweet level. Chareng! Tabi tayo, merong ano dumadaan. Ayan. Hello. So I just met them here. Meron kami mga ganto-ganto, di ba? Mga titas o BL.
Grabe.
Hindi, kasama ako. Ayan. Pwede daw. Oh.
Gusto ko pili man tayo. Okay lang. Hindi na mga
So this is the
Nakakain ko
venue.
lang yung popcorn. Kasi nilagay ko na lang sa mamaya baka umiyak ako.
Dito ako is... ay, magkalapit lang pala tayo.
Kaya berdoa mo. Malapit lang tayo.
Oo nga pala. Age 20.
Six ako.
At ito, ay, Diyos ko, ito lang tayo. mga pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana nung nagbubok tayo. O di ba? Magkakalapit lang kami. Saan dito lang siya, yung isa.